Hi, it's Spencer Janke with Berkshire Hathaway Real Estate in Salt Lake City, Utah and Team Utah Cribs. Thanks for joining with me today. Today, I really want to talk to you about home repairs. Not something that is a glamorous topic, but I think it's a very valid and pertinent topic to talk about in the current situation. A lot of us have found, we're spending more time at home. So by default, we are finally starting to chip away at that to-do list. And inevitably, when you're a homeowner, we all are very familiar with these lists of to-dos. And oftentimes we find ourselves in need of a professional, someone to help us fix something, or you have an issue or a problem. Unfortunately, a lot of us have been in a situation where it's late at night and your basement is flooding, or your water heater went out. The list goes on and on of what could happen. I have found, as a homeowner and as a landlord, one of the best items I have at my disposal is my vendor list, or trades. So I have great plumbers, electricians, roofers, insulation, soffit and fascia, landscaping, sprinklers. You name it. Whenever I have an issue or a problem with my own home or one of my rental properties, I go straight to my vendor list, and I know that they are qualified, they are reliable, their pricing is spot on, and they'll take care of me. And by default, man, that list is so important to me. So I wanted to bring that same opportunity to all of you. If you find yourselves in need, just reach out to us. We do this for a living. People call me every single day looking for a referral for a good plumber, or like I said, an electrician. A handyman is a big one. You have to have a great handyman at your disposal. We have several. So don't waste your time. Don't jump on Google and look around and start calling random people. It's so frustrating. Just reach out to us. We'll share our list with you, and you can know and feel confident that they are reliable, their pricing spot on, and all of the above. They will help you and take care of those problems, and hopefully will get you out of a pickle if you find yourselves in one. But again, it is very, very nice to have that list at your disposal. I tell all of our clients, if you're ever going to do something to your home, if it be a remodel or if you're going to be painting or whatever it is, always feel free to reach out to us and ask us our opinion, because we do this so often that, one, we could probably steer you in the right direction in regards to the right trade or the right person for the job. But at the same time, we can kind of give you some ideas and make sure that you're putting good money into the property so that the value will be there once you're done. I think all of these things are very, very important, and sometimes people hesitate, don't want to waste our time, but we're here to work for you. So reach out. We will share our entire list with you. So, again, if you find yourselves in need of a trade like that, reach out, give us a call. Sometimes I have people just asking, if I can recommend a good house cleaner or, a pest control, insurance agent. You name it. We have all of those, and we're happy to help and share that information with you. Our business is referral based, so therefore we really, really love to make sure that we reciprocate, and we're actually referring out good people that we know will take care of our clients. So save yourselves the time. Don't even bother looking. Reach out to us. We'll send you the list, and there you go. You're off to the races. And you can get back to spending time with your family and your friends and stop working in your yard if that's not what you want to do. So I hope you all have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.